So how can you screenshot an entire web page on the iPhone? Let me show you how it works. If you're new here, most definitely subscribe for more tutorials and videos like this one. So for that, we need to be using the Safari web browser, the one from Apple. And right now, once you are inside of the web page, just capture the screenshot the regular way. So you press the volume up and power button. At the same time, the screenshot just gets shown like this, and click on it in the bottom left corner to make it go to full screen. And right now, we switch the view from the screen only to full page. So when you go to the full page, you can see this is what it looks like. So literally the whole thing gets captured like this. And you can export it and save it somewhere else, right? So you can save it as a PDF, or you can save it in the Photos app, whatever. However, one tip though, make sure that the whole page is like loaded up before you do this. Because usually when you scroll through a web page, it just gets loaded as you just scroll. But if you want to capture the whole thing, it might happen that it doesn't capture everything, right? So just scroll through the whole page before you capture the screenshot to make sure that all of the images and all of the other things are loaded as well. But that's all that I wanted to show you in this video. Let me know what you think. Let me know if it worked for you. Most definitely subscribe for upcoming tutorials and videos similar to this one, and I'll see you later. So thanks a lot, and I'll talk to you soon.